everyone, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Hasmin Saripkasan, your teacher in English for grade 9.
I will be presenting to you a lesson in quarter 1, week 1, with a lesson objective of distinguishing between and among informative, journalistic, and literary writing. Okay, brace yourselves as we explore the world of text. Now, what is the definition of the text? Can anybody define what is a text? Very good.
A text is a form of spoken, written, or visual communication to convey the meaning to an audience.
Could be factual, literary, visual, or media. This includes the following: novels, poems, short stories, films, reviews, emails, painting, brochure, advertisement, and biographies.
Remember, in reading and writing a text, think about the purpose why it was written. Okay? Text has different purposes. Now let us discuss the 3 types of a text. First is the informative writing. Informative writing or text teaches the reader about a topic, provides information, and increases understanding of a reader. It is also a non-fiction writing that conveys information about something, which means factual with the purpose to teach, to inform, to explain, to define, and clarify something in a thorough manner. Did you understand now what is an informative writing? That's great! Now let's proceed to the example of an informative writing. This is the example of an informative writing.
Okay, so I want you to check this out, this informative article about dental care.
Well, go to the second type of a text. The second type of text is the journalistic writing. Journalistic writing or text used to report news stories in newspapers, television, and radio broadcasts with the purpose to quickly inform and to persuade. Remember that the most important part of journalistic writing or text is the dissemination of information. Let us take a look at this newspaper article. A newspaper article must relay the WH questions such as who, what, where, when, why, and how as quickly and as objectively as possible. Did you understand very well the 2 types of a text? Very good. Let's proceed to the 3rd type of a text, which is the literary writing. Literary writing, it is defined as creating new creative works such as the literary writing purposes are to express, to entertain, and to communicate. For example, are the poems, novels, short stories, and other creative collections. Were you able to distinguish between and among informative, journalistic, and literary writing? That's great. Let's review our lesson. Let's do the recap. We have 3 types of a text, namely informative, journalistic, and literary. Remember, informative if it provides or discloses factual information or instructive, and journalistic if it could be a radio, TV, newspapers, and online journalism that presents information. Literary because it has a wide variety of imaginative and creative writing that leads to the appreciation of variety of subjects. Alright, did you understand our lesson very well? Perfect! Once again, my name is Hasmin Saripkasan, saying good luck, and you may now answer the exercises in your module.